Here's a great daily exercise for those of you with uneven hips, especially those of you with stenosis or SI joint pain or joint pain on one side or disc pain on the other. Let's take Kalyn, for example. She's hiked up on the right-hand side. That means that there's compression of the joints in the right, and then the disc is more likely to bulge left. So when someone like her, she's gonna focus on pushing her heel down with the right while lifting the opposite hip up. She's activating and strengthening the weak, lazy side, and while she's lengthening the height side. She can even put a little dumbbell on there to pull it down a little bit more. So what this is doing overall, though, is when you're gaining more tone, it's creating more levelness in the hips. And that's designed for you to utilize when you walk, when you run. So take your skills and how you feel and apply it to your daily life. That's an exercise for uneven hips and joint pain, disc pain, and all the shit goes with it. We have plenty more in the program. This is not complete, by the way. There's more shit. Don't think this is gonna fix all your shit. It's gonna give you this much improvement. There's this much more to be made. Get your ass in the back in the core program, the hip and the glute program, the 30-day programs are all laid out for you to improve, all right? You need more than this exercise. Go fix your shit.